Good morning. I am going to continue my video lecture series based upon container networks. My topic is an Ethernet. Ethernet is a traditional technology for connecting devices in an LAN and WAN. It enables devices to communicate with each other via protocol. Protocol means it's a set of rules for common network language. Ethernet is a type of communication protocol that created as Xerox PARC in 1973 by Robert McClough and others, which connects computer on a network over a wired connection. It is widely used LAN protocol, which is also as Alto Aloha network. It connects computers within local area network and wide area network. Numerous devices like printers, laptops can connected by LAN and WAN. LAN is an within the given space within the network, the LAN will be connected by using, for example, we are connecting with the network by using systems. WAN is a wide area network within the institution. Wherever we want to connect the network, we easily connect the network by using a LAN cable. It is a fiber optic cable. It is an example here. Ethernet by using an Ethernet switches and a hub, the systems will be connected with the Ethernet net connections, and then the Ethernet switches will be given to the routers, and the routers will be passing to the gateway, and then we get an internet. This is a diagram for an Ethernet. Different types of Ethernet network is an Ethernet devices with Cat5 and Cat5 copper cable is connected is a fiber optic cable through fiber optic media converter. The distance covered by a computer is significantly increased by extension of fiber optic cable. We are having a fast Ethernet and gigabit Ethernet. Fast Ethernet means it is supported by the twisted pair Cat5 cable, potentially transfer and receive around 100 Mbps of speed. And then gigabit is a type of network and upgrade from the fast Ethernet. First one is a fast Ethernet, and then after that the advanced upgrade level of fast Ethernet is a gigabit Ethernet, which uses a fiber optic cable and twisted pair cable to create communication, same as 100 Mbps or 1 gigabits per second. The data will be transferred. Advantage of Ethernet is it is much costly to form an Ethernet network as compared to the other systems of connecting computers. It is relatively inexpensive. And then Ethernet networking provides high security for data as it uses firewalls in terms of data security. Gigabit network allows the user to transmit data at a speed of 1 to 100 gigabits per second. This network, the quality of the data transfer thus maintains. In this network, administration and maintenance are easier. The latest version of gigabit Ethernet and wireless Ethernet have the potential to transmit data at the speed of 1 to 1000 gigabits per second. We are having maximum count of bits per second should be transfer the data from one system to another system. So we are using in two Ethernet. One is a faster Ethernet and the gigabit Ethernet. But first faster Ethernet is 100 Mbps speed, and the data will be transferred from one station to another stations. And then upgrade level of fast Ethernet is an gigabit Ethernet, that is 100 Mbps to 1000 1 gigabits per second will be the data will be transferred. And the disadvantage of the Ethernet is a determined service through the consider the best of real life application. Wired Ethernet network restricts in terms of distance, and then shortest distance, and then we are having need a cable, hub, switch and routers for the installations. The cost of installation is increased, and then interactive application as well as very smaller. If we don't, the data need not the data are not sent quickly to the stations. The Ethernet network, any acknowledgement is not sent by the receiver after accepting the data. So these are the disadvantages for Ethernet. And then Ethernet standards is we are having how the data will be Ethernet cable will be connected and plug in with the systems. The process will be the same whether we are connecting the Ethernet cable on the process. We already know the Ethernet cable will be connected by the switch for the switch from the server, and that cable will be connected with the switch, and then connected, and another side of the cable will be connected to the CPU. While plug-in this wired, after that plug-in, the green light will be blinked. If the green light will be blinked, means that the wire will be inserted to the CPU. Then the network connection gets from the server. Okay, we are having a frame format. This is the frame format. Preamble, SFD, destination address, source address, length of PDU, and data and padding, CRC. By using this, the data will be sent from one station to another stations. Thank you.